This is an ugly example of an '01 BMW 330 Ci Coupe, aka the E46. It's a 5-speed manual and it's been totally gutted. My plan here is to upload a series of videos as I transform this car into a safe and fast Spec E46 race car. We have the previous owner to thank for the color choices. Those will be taken care of later. I've already started on the roll cage, but there's a good bit left to do on it. I will also be replacing the rear suspension cradle with a better unit with aluminum bushings. The suspension is getting updated. I'm replacing the front bumper cover, removing some excess weight, new exhaust is coming, the obvious racing seat and seat belts are going in too. If this sounds like the kind of build you'd like to follow, subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/roadragecustoms. Follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/roadragedave. Follow both of my Instagrams, Dave Road Rage, as all one word, and _road_rage_Dave.